question here is, how is StashAway good for beginners for investing?
Yeah, so we help you guide what portfolio you choose. So all you have to do is download the app and then pick an investment goal that you're saving for. Say if it's something long-term like your retirement or something short-term like buying a new house, we're able to recommend a portfolio for you. So all you need to do is understand yourself, understand your investment objectives and your risk.
And take 30 minutes of their time to download and fill out the things, and they're set, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. What is exactly StashAway Simple?
StashAway Simple is great. It's a cash management tool for you to get more than 0% than what you get in your savings account, right? So if you have any spare cash lying around and you don't want to put that cash at risk, StashAway Simple is super easy because what you do is just deposit that money with us and it grows at a rate about 3%, and you're not taking any risk on that money. And you can redeem it within 2 days to then spend on whatever you want. So use it for your spare cash, use it for something that you don't want to put at risk, and you will earn a very decent return compared to FDs and a very decent return compared to your savings account.
Okay, so does that mean StashAway Simple is not going to come with, it's not like a bank account, right? Where you don't get a debit card to go in and withdraws directly from StashAway Simple?
Yeah,
right?
it's not like a bank account,
Yeah.
but it will give you more return than a bank account. And whenever you want to withdraw, it takes 2 days to go back to your bank account and you can use it.
Oh, that's going to be exciting.
Yeah, it's going to be great.
Let's see where that goes. Thanks so much, Ken, for participating and helping us understand the basics of investing, what people should be doing, and how StashAway can play a role in their investment journey.
Yeah.
And for the people who are watching right now, thank you so much. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and we will try to answer that for you as soon as possible. Otherwise, check out the other videos that we have with Ken here. We have a bunch of other questions that we have recorded and hopefully will help you in some way, shape, or form. And if you're ready to take the next step in joining StashAway, just feel free to use one of the links below in the descriptions because you'll get some bonuses that you can't find anywhere else. All right, thanks a lot.